Hiring a private jet should be easy, shouldn't it? Surely you only have to select your destination and away you go. Unfortunately, it isn't as simple as it should be. The first problem is that some private jet brokers are downright greedy. If one of these charter brokers knows that their client is wealthy or their flight is on expenses, they'll put a large markup on the price. Why? Because they can. Some charter brokers employ people with no experience or expertise in the industry either, and this lack of knowledge really begins to show. You wouldn't want your hair cut by a gardener, would you? Once you've made your booking, your broker will take their commission and leave you at the mercy of the charter operator with no extra service offered. And we don't think that's fair. So what's the solution? Well, here at Private Jet Hire, we have a wealth of experience in the industry, and our pricing is fully transparent. We only charge 5% commission, so a flight from London to Nice might cost £6,000, but our service fee would be just £300. Our easy booking system ensures you get the best flights for your money, but with comfort, luxury and privacy as standard. Whatever your requirements, we ensure the optimum output for your investment. We always go the extra mile to ensure your complete satisfaction too, with dedicated after-sales care and a single point of contact throughout. When you put it like that, it makes sense to travel with a company who cares about their clients and doesn't just look at them with money signs in their eyes, right?